Okay guys, so before you guys come for me, okay, continue watching this video. You guys will find out my struggles with my grid right over here not looking straight. It's actually straight all through. It's just, if you keep watching the video, you will find out some of my challenges as to why to grid or not to grid my grid pattern. Welcome back to another video on my hair. Thank you so much for joining me. It's your girl Onana. So today's video, I'm showing you guys my grid, okay? To grid or not to grid. I feel like people that go off grid are less stressed in the Microloc community. It's difficult. It is super difficult to honestly follow a grid pattern. It's harder to maintain retying days. A lot of us really haven't mastered the whole mirror to front, you know, mirror to help guide us. I haven't mastered that yet. I think that's like the most difficult part of it all. I have a mirror in my bathroom, and then I have an additional mirror. And for the life of me, I'm trying to figure out how to use the back mirror as my viewfinder. It's very difficult. So kudos to all of you lock heads out here that have perfectly awesome grids, okay? Because it is difficult. My grids were not made by me. I mean, I had the vision to have it done a certain way, and a friend of mine dedicated her time to help me part it. There should be no shame in the game to get somebody to help part it, okay? Because it does get challenging. It will get challenging. And if you've mastered, you know, the mirror to, you know, the mirroring effect, then you go, girl. But if you haven't mastered that yet, you need to call your aunties, your cousins, your sister to help you part your hair, okay? And yeah, it's still DIY Microlocs because you didn't go to a loctician to lock your hair. Now, parting grids are not easy because you have to be precise, okay? You have to be precise, and you have to make sure that the lines are straightened, okay? Now, when it comes down to like sizing and trying to make sure that all the sizes are the same, trust me, my parts, like my sizes are not consistent. There's some that it's bigger. I have some bigger parts and I have some smaller parts. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe for more videos on my locks journey. The grid situation is difficult, but it is quite important to follow somewhat of a grid pattern, especially if you're somebody like me who loves versatility, you know, change your hair into different styles. The grid patterns really comes in handy to keeping your hair interesting, okay? Now, if you decide to go off grid, that's also okay. Because remember how back in the days, people were off grid. Like, people just freeform, literally just parted from each corner, each angle. Bless you, it was styled amazingly. There was no problems. And I think that's one of the benefits with locks, is not really putting so much emphasis on it, but just locking your hair, setting it, and forgetting it. The whole hair freedom movement, okay? If you are DIYing your own locks, your own Microlocs, and you want to be more versatile, then definitely following a grid pattern will work. Try to create your own grid. It's so difficult to like go on YouTube and try to follow somebody else's somebody else's grid pattern, because we all have different head shapes and our hair textures are different. So I find it's easier to just kind of create your own pattern in your head, okay? My hair is curly. We struggled with the pattern, even though I blow dried my hair before you know, we started parting the hair. It was still difficult. So just try to, you know, come up with you know, your own thing, your own pattern that will suit your own head shape, if that makes sense. That's about it, you guys. So what good is knowledge if we can't share it? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share it with somebody that's also thinking of getting locks, Microlocs. Comment down below and let me know how important you think following a grid pattern is, or if you think it's not that important, let me know in the comment section below your reasons why you don't think it's really important. And if you were to start locking your hair today, is that something that you'd be looking into? I'm so happy that you guys were able to find this video. I hope it was a little bit interesting